Namaste, this is Jagan from Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center. Today I am going to make a cocktail which is based of beer and tomato. That is Michelada. A Michelada is a Mexican prepared beverage which is consisting of beer, tomato juice, wasabi paste, assorted sauce, salt and lime juice. So for my cocktail, I would like to add first tomato juice, which is 120 ml of, 10 gram of wasabi paste, 5 ml of soya sauce, pinch of salt, and I would like to add lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice in that. Then like to add ice because chill can change your taste. Before shake my cocktail, I would like to fill my glass with ice. So then I can pour my drink on top of the ice. So this is the beer I am going to pour on top of my drink, the Mexican beer. So it can give you a good fizzy drink. So along with drink also you can add this celery stick. So this is very nice combination with tomato and celery. If you need more lemon juice, you can squeeze this lemon also. Let's see the taste. Amazing. Hope you like this one along with barbecue. Thank you, friend.